For years, Microsoft Office and Google Workspace have been the go-to tools for productivity, but as of July 2025, OpenAI has changed the game. ChatGPT now lets you create Excel-compatible spreadsheets and PowerPoint-ready presentations right inside the chatbot. This isn't just a new feature, it's a direct challenge to the productivity giants. Now anyone can make professional documents without expensive subscriptions or being locked into a single platform. OpenAI is unbundling the core functions of Office suites and making them accessible through a simple chat interface. This move lowers the barrier for students, freelancers, and small businesses to participate in the digital economy. It's a bold evolution. AI is no longer just a novelty, it's becoming the backbone of real work. ChatGPT aims to be your all-in-one workflow hub, where you can brainstorm, create, and execute all in one place. The timing is perfect, as the AI productivity market is booming. Instead of adding AI to Office apps, OpenAI is putting Office apps inside their AI. This user-first approach could force Microsoft and Google to rethink their strategies. It's a classic disruption story, unfolding on one of the world's most popular platforms. This isn't just an update, it's OpenAI's statement of intent. What does this mean for your workflow? You can now generate complex documents without ever opening Excel or PowerPoint. ChatGPT produces files in open-source formats, fully compatible with industry standards. Just describe what you need, and the AI builds the file for you. No technical expertise required. This decouples creation from the software suite, making productivity tools accessible to everyone. Students, freelancers, and startups can now create professional materials without paid software. The result? More people can participate in the digital economy, regardless of their resources. For years, Microsoft and Google relied on ecosystem lock-in, but if users can get good enough tools for free with ChatGPT, that dominance is at risk. Now the big players must prove their value with more than just features. They need to deliver a truly superior experience. OpenAI's move is a quiet revolution, shifting power from platforms to users. The future of productivity is platform-agnostic, conversational, and accessible. This is a profound shift in who gets to create and collaborate. The Office suite as we know it is being redefined. Let's see how it works. Open ChatGPT and you'll spot new buttons. Create spreadsheet and generate presentation. Click a button or type your request directly, like create a Q2 marketing budget spreadsheet with ad spend, content, and totals. ChatGPT instantly generates a downloadable Excel-compatible file, pre-formatted with your details and formulas. For presentations, just prompt, make a 10-slide pitch deck for a tech startup. Cover title, problem, solution, market, team, and call to action. The AI structures your slides, adds headlines, bullet points, and even sources royalty-free images. It's not just filling templates, it interprets your intent and tailors the output. The magic is in going from a simple chat to a fully formed, professional file in seconds. No more wrestling with formatting or searching for the right menu. You focus on your ideas. ChatGPT handles the busy work. Productivity has never been this intuitive. This update goes beyond static files, introducing AI agents that automate multi-step tasks. Think of them as supercharged macros. They can reason, browse the web, and interact with data sources. Assign an agent to compile a weekly sales report. It pulls data, analyzes trends, creates charts, and builds a summary presentation. Agents can even manage your schedule. Find a 30-minute slot for a meeting, book a room, and send invites. This automation frees you from repetitive admin, letting you focus on strategy and creativity. ChatGPT is evolving from a passive tool to an active partner, anticipating your needs and executing complex workflows. As agents integrate with more enterprise tools, they'll handle everything from data entry to project management. The result? Less time on busy work, more time for high-level thinking. This is the future of the AI-powered office assistant. Human capability amplified. OpenAI's new features put it head-to-head with Microsoft and Google, the titans of productivity. Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace dominate with deep integration and real-time collaboration. Their strength, seamless teamwork, and cloud storage. But ChatGPT's edge is platform independence and simplicity. No subscriptions, no walled gardens. For quick, one-off tasks, ChatGPT is faster and more intuitive than traditional apps. Enterprises may stick with Microsoft and Google, but individuals and small teams will flock to ChatGPT's flexibility. The irony? Microsoft's cloud powers ChatGPT, even as it competes with Office. The market is splitting legacy systems versus agile AI-driven tools. The winner will be whoever delivers the smartest, most seamless user experience. The productivity showdown is on. The rules are changing, and so are the players. The future belongs to the most adaptable. The promise is huge, but there are real limitations. Early users report occasional file glitches and slower performance than desktop apps. The biggest gap: no built-in cloud storage or real-time collaboration yet. For now, ChatGPT excels at solo work, not team editing. AI-generated content can also contain errors or bias, so users must review and fact-check everything. The key skill is AI literacy, knowing how to prompt, evaluate, and refine the output. These tools won't replace human judgment, they'll augment it. Embrace the learning curve, and you'll unlock new levels of productivity. The technology is evolving fast, and so must we. The future is collaborative, between humans and AI. Ready to try it? Visit openai.com, log in, and explore the new features. Start simple: ask ChatGPT to make a meal plan spreadsheet or a quick presentation. As you get comfortable, learn prompt engineering, the key to unlocking powerful results. Clear, specific instructions yield the best output. Join the OpenAI community to share tips, troubleshoot, and discover new use cases. The office landscape is changing fast, don't get left behind. Mastering these tools now prepares you for the future of work. The sooner you adapt, the more you'll gain. This isn't just a new tool, it's a new way to work. The AI-powered office is here. Embrace it.